How to upload a sort from CapCut to YouTube Shorts. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can upload a sort from CapCut to YouTube Shorts. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up CapCut on your mobile device and select the project. Then you have to import the video that you want to add into your YouTube Shorts. Once you're on this editing piece, now you have to edit your video in order to fit the format as the YouTube Shorts require 9:16 aspect ratio. So in order to change the ratio, now search for aspect ratio, and here it is, tap on aspect ratio. So for the YouTube Shorts, you have to select 9:16, select it, and once you have done that, tap on the tick mark. Also for the timing, make sure that your video is less than 60 seconds. So you could only upload the video up to 60 seconds on your YouTube Shorts. So make sure that the video length is maximum of 60 seconds. If it is more, then reduce it to 60 seconds. You could simply drag the slider and place it wherever you want, and make sure the video is less than 60 seconds. If it exceeds the length of 60 seconds, you can trim the video and delete the remaining part. Once you have your video, all you have to do is export. So tap on the export button at the top right corner. Now once the export is complete, here you have an option to share to different fields. You can directly share it from here. If not, open up YouTube and then you can select your video. But for this tutorial, let's select YouTube from here. If you want to crop this video, you could also do that. If not, tap on next. Now you can do further edit in your video, where if you want to add some text, filters or voiceover or any other stickers, you can do that by tapping on these options available on your right hand side, and if you're done, tap on next. Now you can add details to your video or to your short. At the top section here, you can add a title. Under that, that's your account from where your video is being uploaded. If that's not your account, then you have to go back to YouTube, switch to your preferred account, then upload the video from your gallery that you have recently exported from CapCut. Then you could add the details to your video. On the visibility, you can change the visibility, whether you want to set it to public or private. You could also add location, select audience, and once you're done with all of these options here, the final step is to tap on upload the sort. After that, this sorts will be added or uploaded in your YouTube Shorts. That's it. That's all for this video. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.